Asylum seekers in Germany learning how to speak German and also how to navigate German society and culture. The courses are free of charge, but they are now set to become compulsory. That's because a new law aims to make sure migrants integrate. It's a carrot and stick approach. In return for benefit payments and free accommodation, Berlin now says asylum seekers have to learn German and attend integration classes. Otherwise, their benefits may be reduced.
I think it's a milestone that the federal government passes an integration law according to the principle of obligations as well as support, and support as well as obligations.
The government's plan comes after more than 1 million refugees and migrants arrived in 2015. And although numbers have dropped this year, there is widespread concern in Germany about integrating so many people, particularly given the country's poor record at integrating workers in the 60s and 70s. The German government wants to avoid the mistakes made in the past when workers from Turkey were left excluded from mainstream German society.
It's Germany's first law on integration and an important break with the past. This law makes the way for those that will stay in Germany for longer or for good. We learn from our failures. We don't want people to live in parallel societies where social problems could occur. We don't want parallel societies and ghettos.
But the government's plan is controversial, particularly the proposal that for the first few years, asylum seekers won't be able to choose where they live in Germany. Critics say this could break up families and leave refugees isolated.
The rights of refugees are being weakened and the obligations they have to fulfil are greater than the help they get. We think there are too many obligations.
The migrants in this class, meanwhile, are keen to learn.
And I found so nice people. And hope I will to stay here, to work or study or something.
Germany has a shortage of young workers and an ageing population, so the opportunities are there, but only for those with the correct skills. Damien McGuiness, BBC News, Berlin.